the passion, the power, the world of competitive figure skating.
You're welcome, Stocko.
Chaz Michaels is definitely shaking things up.
That was disgusting. That, young man, is how babies are made.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a tie.
Sick, you smell like after-shaven taco meat.
Yes, I do.
Scudo.
How dare you?
You are to be stripped of your medals and banned from men's figure skating for the remainder of your lives.
Now, two rivals
Michaels. McElroy.
I see you got fat.
So you still look like a 15-year-old girl, but not hot.
will join forces.
What do you guys have that none of the other teams have?
Matching junk?
Exactly.
Two men skating together, and in our division, no less.
Those two are nothing but a couple of freaks.
Do you mind trying to eat here?
Just thought you'd like to see what a skater's body really looks like. Chaz Michaels and Jimmy McElroy are figure skating. Boom! That was his fault.
You two are the last pieces of the puzzle.
Will Ferrell, Heder.
The first male pair in the history of the sport. How is this going to work?
Blades of Glory.
So, Coach, I was thinking about the music for our routine.
We're gonna skate to one song only. I'm gonna get you drunk off my lady hump, my lovely lady hump.
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
No, it's not. It's
Gets the
gross.
people going.